Question 4C of operations research. This question is from section A and this is CS Main 2013 paper 2 mathematics. This question is minimize z is equal to 5x1 minus 4x2 plus 6x3 minus 8x4 subject to the characteristics x1 plus 2x2 minus 2x3 plus 4x4 is less than equal to 40. 2x1 minus x2 plus x3 plus 2x4 is less than equal to 8. 4x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 minus x4 is less than equal to 10. xi is greater than equal to 0 and this question is of 20 marks. So we see all the constraints are of less than equal to, so we can solve this by simplex method. Here this question is of minimization type, so we can solve this question by two ways. First is that we can solve this problem as maximization problem. The only difference is that when we see or check for entering variable, then in Z row we check for most negative element in Z row, but when we are doing for minimization we will be checking for most positive element in Z row, and for leaving variable the criteria will be same. Second is that we can convert this into maximization problem by the help of this formula, that maximize z is equal to minus min minus z, and then solve it as a maximization problem. So let's do by using this one here. So what I do here, minus this sign we will add in the end of the problem. This minus z we are incorporating. So first when we convert the problem to maximization type and then introducing the slack variables, because these are less than equal to sign, so we will introduce slack variables because on left hand side the quantity is something less, so we will add some amount, that is slack variable, and we write the standard form of the problem as follows. So maximize z is equal to minus 5x1. See here I have changed the sign of 5x1 to minus 5x1, so all variables will be changed, their sign will be changed. So 4x1 4x2 minus 6x3 plus 8x4 and plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. So we have written this objective function after changing the sign of the variables. Subject to the constraints x1 plus 2x2 minus 2x3 plus 4x4 is equal to 40 when we added this slack variable plus s1 on left hand side. Second is 2x1 minus x2 plus x3 plus 2x4 plus s2, this is the slack variable, so for second constraint is equal to 8, and 4x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 minus x4 plus s3 is equal to 10. x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, s3, these are greater than equal to 0. Now we will solve it by simplex method.